In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your disorganized ratchet straps and turn them into a nicely wrapped and organized system. And it's still able to be used in one easy step. The first thing you need to do is take the ratchet strap and release the ratchet so your strap is free to slide for the next time you go to use it. If you're not familiar with using a ratchet strap, the easiest way to do that is to pull it in that direction. So now it's free. The second thing you need to do is make sure that the webbing end is shorter than the hooked end in the amount of strapping. That'll just make it easier to wrap up. Third, close the ratchet and take the hook attached to the ratchet and fold it over one way or the other. Choose the direction that has the hook lying flat against the ratchet. If the hook lays off the end of the ratchet, think about retiring that ratchet. It's pretty much dead to you now because you'll want all your ratchets to store nicely once you learn this method, and this will end up plaguing you forever. You're dead to me. Now that you have the ratchet side hook lying flat, turn the hook out 90 degrees so the opening can capture the wrapped strap at the end. Begin wrapping the hooked strap around the ratchet in the same direction you started the hook on the ratchet. Keep it a fairly tight wrap for the most secure outcome. Make sure the ratchet side hook stays in position as well. Finally, when you run out of strap to wrap, simply turn that ratchet side hook over the wrapped strap and you're done. The best part about storing your straps this way is that when you need to go to use it again, all you need to do is turn that hook out and simply let it go. And now you're ready to use your ratchet strap. Depending on the length of your straps, you may have a little that hangs out. Sometimes you can fold that hook over to secure it back on itself or snug it up just a little to get one more wrap. If you're as neurotic as I am, I'll even undo the whole thing and adjust the strap a little bit so that I have nothing at the end and it's just a perfect little bundle. At this point, it's really just a matter of preference on how you like to store your ratchets, so get to it and give this video a like for all the future frustration I just saved you when you need to use all your ratchet straps and they aren't in that bucket of spaghetti you called your ratchet strap storage bucket. And as always, have a good one. Just kidding, I'm too cheap for that.